Previously, we found that in order to make a gallon of almond milk, Rob needs to have 5 and 1/3 cups of almonds. Now, Rob's mom keeps wondering if she can buy a bag of 3 pounds of almonds for $10.99, then how much does it cost her to make a gallon of almond milk? Rob excitedly says, we can use change of conversion to figure this out. First, we start with a gallon of almond milk, and we want to end with the cost in dollars. We're going through the first conversion from 1 gallons to cups, gallon of almond milk to number of cups of almonds, and then we go through the conversions of cups of almonds in terms of pounds of almonds. Lastly, we wanted to go through pounds of almonds to the cost. So 1 gallon milk is equivalent to 5 and 1/3 cups. And we know that 1 pound of almonds is equivalent to 3.5 cups. And lastly, we know that 3 pounds of almonds would cost $10.99. So in order to do this conversion, we just need to make sure that all the units line up. First, you can see that the cups and the cup unit is cancelled. Pounds and pounds units is cancelled. Gallons and gallon is cancelled. So the only units left is money, dollars, which is what we want. So we can go ahead and multiply the 3 fractions together in order to get the answer by multiplying 3 numerators and divided by the products of the 3 denominators. Doing the calculations, we get the cost of a gallon of almond milk is about $5.58. Keep in mind that this cost is a cost before tax, sales tax, before the labor cost, and before the equipment cost.